As a family, we're so blessed to be invited by Disney Cruise Line to be one of the first passengers of their newest ship. Its name is Disney Destiny. It's also a ship christening, so we met tons of influencers. Even famous YouTubers and celebrities were there, but we weren't able to take pictures because we were simply amazed by the ship. The theme of Disney Destiny is heroes and villains, so if you like watching movies like us, you'll definitely enjoy this cruise. First, there's Black Panther statue, one of my favorite Marvel superheroes. And Mia's obsessed with Edna Alamode's sweet shop because she watched Jack Jack Attack on Disney Plus 100 times. This lounge is inspired by the Sanctum on Doctor Strange. And this one is very easy to recognize because of the Dalmatian spots on the piano. You got it right, it's Cruella de Vil's lounge. And of course, for girlies, they also have Disney princesses. Minnie and his friends were also there to entertain us. And we get to play dress up without people judging us. Now we're gonna share more videos of our cruise, and I hope you enjoy watching our adventure. Look how beautiful my family is. Where are we going?
Down.
Down. Where, Mia?
Dinner.
We're gonna have a formal dinner.
Level 5.
Okay, this is our outfit.
Oh, sorry.
Mia. This is our outfit of the day. We're all matching.
This is our third outfit of the day.
Yeah.
This is our third outfit of the day. Not outfit of the day.
We were in a pirate outfit earlier, and now we changed. Oh, you brought Barbie.
Did you like them? I did.
Look at that. My family is so fast. We almost ate up all the bread.
Hungry, baby.
So they're gonna have a show over here, and we're so lucky because we got the front seat. Look at that. We're gonna have a performance here.
Like that, huh?
Yes, it is.
Well, listen up, everyone from this side all the way over here. I want you to sing along with us. It goes like this.
It's day 3 and we're here.
Look at that. Huge Christmas tree.
Yeah. She just woke up. Mia, are you awake now?
I'm so sleepy. I can't hardly open my eyes.
We are having breakfast in front of the island. Castaway Cay. Look at that. Ooh. Do you know how to eat that? Huh?
She's figured it.
Wow! Galing!
I had a professor in college who was
Shells?
She's eating the crab! Sarap! We are now off the boat, and Mia, where are we?
Castaway Cay.
Castaway Cay? Whoa!
After we.
It's actually called Castaway Key.
How is it key?
I don't know, but let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go to the beach! Yay! Are you excited, Mia?
Just now got back down to shore. Had to run up and get my sunglasses because my eyes are sensitive to the sun. So trying to find Irish and Mia now. And I have no idea where they are. It's so pretty out here today. What do you have?
I got a coconut.
What are you supposed to be doing with that?
I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, I don't think that's normal here.
Why?
Why?
I got a tan, Daddy. Again. And they have Christmas music going on.
On the island, babe. Christmas music on the island.
Yep. Different vibe, but
Yeah.
so we swam. Mia had so much fun. What was that? There's a lizard here? I love all the plants they have. And there's the island. Now we're going back to the beach. Did we take a video of us swimming, Daddy? I don't think we take a video.
We're not getting back in the water.
But Mia sure did have a lot of fun, didn't you, Mia?
We go to the beach.
She said she want to go back to the beach. Look at that! That's cute decoration. There's Minnie, Goofy, and Donald. Are they leaving us? Mia? The ship's leaving us. We're the last ones here. Last one here.
The ship is leaving us.
No, I'm just joking. There's the ship!
Yeah. Yeah?
It says Disney Destiny.
Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Did you have fun on the beach?
Dinner time with Marvel. Look at this, it's so epic. I love Marvel. I'm a fan. I watch every Marvel movie. What about you?
No.
Who's the only superhero you know?
Captain America.
What? Oh, see, always 412.
You're taking a selfie. You two are look-alike. Special treatment. He's cutting the steak and he's feeding me.
She already grew up. She's not a baby anymore. She can cut her own steak and feed her own self.
Here
Our last morning here, and later we're going back to Tennessee. Are you happy or sad? Oh, look at her face. At least you still got Minnie and superhero Minnie and superhero Mickey. Oh. And we just had our breakfast. We got pancake. Mia ate all her stuff. And we got fruit. Mia, it's okay. You know why? Because we're going to the Philippines. What?
She said before I get sleep.
Huh? No, not right now. Being on Disney Cruise is like a dream, and you feel like you want to stay here forever. We're really grateful to be a part of Disney Destiny's first voyage, and we will keep all the wonderful memories that we made within our hearts. But for now, it's time to move on because we're going to the Philippines. So see you on our next vlog.